And then he offered her the hand she had craved all her life, the hand that did not need a lie to deserve it, the hand of trust and caring for, a combination that some call natural love, so they believe.
Believe that. Whoa.
I read God Help the Child by Toni Morrison, her 2015 release, and it was really fantastic. Real talk, I tried not to like this book because clearly my track record is a bit biased when it comes to Toni Morrison books, and you do no wrong. And because Toni Morrison is just so damn genius, it's a wonder that she doesn't walk around wearing a crown consecrating her as the queen of literature. But then after about 100 pages, I was in it, and because she's just so damn good. The story is about Bride, who when she was born, she shocked the hell out of her mother because she was born really black, like blue black, and her mom is light skinned and just did not know what to do with this child that was so melanin influenced. And so she shunned her and she ignored her and she didn't really accept her as her child and didn't even want her to call her mom, and just a pretty neglectful. And this of course came into Bride's being and definitely affected the way that she would become an adult, become a woman. There aren't a lot of characters. There's Bride, there's Brooklyn, her BFF, her mom of course, there's the convict that she's trying to make amends with, and then there's this man named Booker. And if you do yourself any favor in this life, I think we should all fall in love with a man named Booker because it just makes so much sense. And pretty much Bride and Booker's relationship is the catalyst to dealing with all of the trauma of her past and her actually facing the fact that she never healed from not having her mother's love. It's so much about how much our life is impacted by those few formative years of adolescence, and how what we do to children is paramount in who they become as adults, you know, those mythical creatures we're all trying to be. So Tomo employs a touch of her magical realism and how she talks about how love affects the body, not just the spirit, but the mind. And you see it in Bride's appearance, where she goes from this beautiful person and she has to then fall back into feeling like that helpless, ugly, unlovable girl. And this is it's a love story, and I haven't read a love story from Tomo since Tar Baby. Like this, you know, in that traditional sense of two beings looking for each other in that intimate and passionate in that way. I have a written review on tokeninamerica.com, so you can always go there and check it out. I really liked it. If you read this book already, please leave comments below, and I look forward to discussing it a little bit more with you. I'm glad to be back. Thank you, as always, for watching. I will talk to you later. Bye.